says here, make a souvenir coin from Bruce Anchor Cruises. So it says here, punch a hole, insert coin into the slot, pull handle forward, release the handle. So we got $1. I don't know which way. Wait,
Diyan ba?
how do I do it?
Diyan
Oh, maybe
ata
here.
eh. Maybe.
Okay, sorry. Sorry. My first time. Okay, turn the handle to select the engraving of your choice.
Handle.
Maybe this way. Right?
Yeah, and then you just push.
Okay, so it's gonna be this one, no?
Yeah. Opo.
Insert $1. Push coin slightly. Do you want it? Do you want this one or this one?
Anything.
That one's fine. It doesn't matter po.
What happened?
Let's choose.
Just to choose.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll choose this one.
Oh, that one is nice.
Okay.
Alright.
And
Okay.
push.
And then
Now,
push.
We'll push the coin, slide in gently.
Okay. Asan ang pera?
Then what happened?
Keep turning.
Buy $1.
Keep turning.
I want a souvenir.
And then keep turning.
What souvenir? You're gonna get your $1 back.
Maybe
Maybe
tomorrow.
it's on the there. That
Or maybe here.
Keep turning the handle.
What happened? Where's your $1?
Where is it?
no. Kinain na.
You have to.
Punch a hole.
This was $1. It's for $1
Or
though.
this one, no?
No, it says keep turning the handle.
What the heck?
There you go.
Where did it?
Arm exercise.
Oh, are you ready to see it? Close up.
I have a souvenir.
Alright guys. There it is. There's your $1. Looks like this one.
Oh, you're not getting your $1 back.
Oh, it's nice. Hey, that's so nice. Congratulations. Your dollar can't be spent anymore.